Good day, everybody. Brian here, 12:20 Eastern Standard Time. We are June 4th, and my computer just found the internet. Congratulations. So we're now on Reddit here. And for those that are coming out of, I don't know, this guy's coming out of security, minimum wage job. These kind of stories are pretty inspirational. So this is found on Reddit, Suspicious Choice 92. The subreddit's called, and the article or the question for the thread was Python platform / courses for beginners. So I don't want to get into the story of this guy, but he's coming from security, some secure. Oh, I might be putting this guy down. He might be in, like, I don't know, what do they call it? Computer data security, probably. So he's been doing some secure programming in PHP, backend to fetch database data, has the capability to code, or never had the capability to code. It boils down to consistency and practice, and more the purpose of why you want to do it, and what you want to do with it, including things like web scraping, automation, building a back end of a web application, considering security aspects of those functions. Where my main focus on security aspects of Python, but I need to learn the foundations first. I can grasp that with this in mind. I was hoping that if you guys can point to some Python resources. I know this is a question you may have asked all the time, but it's 2022 and there are newer courses that I might not be aware of. I know it's simple to do a quick Google search, but you guys know better. That's true. Hyperskill was mentioned here. Python trading tracks, which teach you basics, introduces to NLP, natural language processing. I can tell that's fairly popular. Obviously, machine learning and back-end development. It is paid one introductory track where you can try it for free. Python features, theory lessons, practical exercises, and projects to build. So this guy, I'm sorry, that's the name of the user, Suspicious Choice 92. Okay, fair enough. This is what I meant about pointing such newer resources. Amazing stuff. Thank you. I'm not going to put myself in the rabbit hole and start focusing stuff on NLP. I'll focus on one thing first found and then back into secure programming purposes. That's it. People often do this and they dig themselves in a rabbit hole and they never end up learning a thing. That is very true. Okay, here we have, this is the last comment here. Complete Python developer in 2022. 0 to mastery and 1 week Python courses on Udemy. That seems to be pretty popular. I do know, as I've mentioned in another video, the Google certification is on Udemy as well. I think it's $30 a month or something. Every few weeks they make a promo like $10 a course. Last time I bought like 10 of them, and those two are superb so far. So there you go. So there's some articles there, referrals for free. It sounds like really good courses as well. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to learn about, if you want as well, how to preserve capital, grow it. Watch this 2-hour video, quantlabs.net/banking, and fill out your form. All info is kept private. Don't forget, if you like this video, share, like, subscribe, and join this to learn more what I do. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.